Wow. Na when ye mami emisa enra as former deputy attorney general, what is say yabo Martin Baines Alamisi Kaiser Amidu edin say mampanisi wono ena emeye special prosecutor no let us say
you comment that so we o tie phone ena metie no Ukraine mahwiri na mahwiri kakra na anyempi we say na kufuado mabe na che enim se di ositie ye ka corruption asemo a minim ne stance e wo ho se de isi hu corruption enti dem nim se obepu bi a onim so betumi aboa no amana ko etia kestasi heye pa dem madwe ankoso se ma tiamidu ebebam no kren no minim se bia obehwe lawyer fo a OMPP mo bi eno mo yidu trabia wo mo enim die kwachiri ozo bitwe dira mo na so enso eno na ku for the chere Ghana fo ni na ase asemu a o kan keta ahihye ene proyo so bitu ase no he means business why not be so bitu ase ampa is a matter me do ubie dim se di ositie sebe the party owu o mampanyi mos eye na toni general mu wa kataso ko bu se bi ba the party mu no ikuo mu no wo kira printing ekoji se mpo the dwuma bo no wa fa ho ko woni se politician sha ne ho ahomte se wo pa political party the group bi na oso be kan kura bibebe kura ya na party no ya na group bi a ni obi atiatia ho ora PC apio fori group bi a yenya e parliament na obi kai ka je so ya to boase party asem ma tiamidu anyo ho sa wo dwe Ghana ho se Ghana fo hiafo sika no ye mo ho bai enti na nakufo ade de adwuma ko ma tiamidu no ye na naka pise me akufuado me corrupt se me corrupt ama tiamidu unyamia bibia enkase ofanche me se minister bi ana ma point bi ko bibia me ti bi ko fe ma tiamidu enkanche ma tiamidu we de me ba no madam fo di jamani nka ze be ko ka e tia ma tiamidu we ba bo to abonten abu biati e ko me je me hu se na akufuado adura we used to for party the Ghana for say that year now was not done so on corrupt no well signa eso pese corruption mutu asio ha it was the move ya the sikai edifanu bo twalifa obi a we ye hwan ya wutwi mfred kan kire say aha asem we ha na ekọ say na ekọ wodi mobia so we NDC ni na usra MPP ni de ba ye do ni afa ma MPP ni de ma NDC o ye MPP ni a na gidi se wudua ne beba na ya akwata so ma wa ene de e jakob mu obia nim se de di pa we de wo do credit afa obeka e di kwa be media be gidi se na kufuado why very consistent but monim sa adi we special prosecutor any adi abra na ebeko constitutional review commission na president mos esetie no na me nipa eboa na me ka ho bi what the side you buy say Ghana ye was save the but specialized anti-corruption agency obeboa ye amaya koketa ahye they na special prosecutor. Yeah, the table no one. You debate ya panel na say you find share report for the command sa commission mu. Ese so no we Ghana president kita ya also obeti ku a betimi fight corruption pa begina said the other countries Nigeria the other countries one more rare anti-corruption bodies are more fight corruption. Near the fair prosecutor. That was 2011. 2018, Akufo-Addo, at me, I apologize for your prosecutor. I will be had this day. Tell you for way when you're corrupt. Now, when you get that, she said, you won't pay your say. Matiamidu, I could draw any swamp power in a Ghana Supreme Court, I want a muscle. Yes, you say, and on a muscle. Obon pay and Huno, I could find a free chain, and not by so onion party. Then so, Unimra, the longest serving deputy attorney general, a woman, and Matiamidu. Unimra.
Oh, sir.
One the longest serving deputy attorney general.
Wow.
Or say one the PNDC. Bare 4 years. And was several under a Lawrence Bar, you buy the 1993 to say 2000. No, was having a deputy attorney general. And experience there will be far.
Okay.
Experience there will be a straight prosecution and constitutional issues. I don't know. And now long service will be far. The will be my man. On 5 and only be free 1 year of 1 year man. Nagana for you who say corruption no and why the free.
Opani say o man adesua kakra na nipa bi ye say wono de say one ekwaduboni na evidence ni nyina wo de kodan court wa na court no agina so e de asem nipa kron so we entitled to a council na wo so aba ene obi ye say no ye say to say de na posifo wo police station ye bia yes police na asem no won nsem no wona akruchire ni nyina bill of indictment ni enem nyina wo de ba court abebo kwaduo na adwuma no trasa
Kwabe na adwuma no Kwabe ye tie de say wo ye investigator a prosecutor. On say ka ye wo ye normal you know attorney general we investigate case no case no police for the investigate and then akoma attorney general and the prove here the attorney general here the case investigation now go here what be na conviction it depend be yana asemi ko court obi e dase mo ye oni 4 years oni power you are say the court ate ko court anya ko ya e say the court prosecution o ye ko kaya pa e buy obi you be show more aguru ka di me ba bet mo me no ham to say o twi e ya yi na ba e just mo wa je ko court e ja no ye do say di ko ni e ja no ye di ko jumpe ni ko ni e ja e bia na aye Eba we die traffic hospital di do money say wonu an wo na afi wonu an na ye investigation e wonu an di akọ enti so you obi a na dwum da ho na wo se ma jamidu na wo se menye Brian na so we are green question no any bibia kwame investigations no e be ye enti e ko court wa yes the defense counsel be ho obi a akwụkwọ dị ofa lawyer ya dị be ọhọ they will accept no call na why you want to be case what goes in here why your investigation here ni ade a enkoye entutu papa so empire ya body say Matiami du benya hoode na fi nipa bi o be fa nso omo ano no go do your prosecution no the way we fa nso omo ano bia no yidi kai o ma yebe ti bi ti omo kai ye ye to so mienu ye bo mo bai ye to so mienu Judge for any idea any na so no yemi ani ko mo se asem bia no wo mo de beka o me hwe se o me ka no kre defense counsel there we lawyer ni o betimi aye hwan ya se o ko na wo client no na tem ya enye emra na akugina so ba yo ko de se ya enye ezi bi ni se
na emfinfi ho and will be doing say, Enquire say, oh, yea, ye were be attorney general department, and I yawaha, na yakwato se agya wo na ye de ntimi nyi adwuma yi ana adwuma na bure so enti wo de waba na abaye de aye ne yehwe na abahwe ne bia ne ntintwitwa bi ne nipa bi so empese beboa no
prosecutor o be ja so nje na adwuma nye anya atonje na for be just why your prosecution and declaration of the constitution no police for your investigation o me be pa ho no your special cases involving corruption affect o me enti aton fair prosecutor o me ji obi adwuma enye o me ji yoko adwuma nye o me ji saga adwuma nye o me ji police for adwuma nye special cases that involving laws in the state I don't hear yet really fair prosecutor no one investigation why in the idea will be our bill Ghana of my home to a attorney general to a police need to a webia or drink Ghana who the Ghana will be now who the car of my corruption of my way I feel you have $1 billion in fire development I feel it will be $35 billion to corruption. Or my scam for the go to F1 to keep it to my dad or my you know. It will be our gun and your film. As I said, when it a fair prosecutor, it's your kind. I said, Obama did not my there be a pre ending. A joint they had this as one year. But you did say, and go back, sir.
Open your other son,
you have met with us.